Hello, YouTubers. Hear that? It's coming from right there. And I'm kind of, I don't know, you'd say rebuilding, but I'm just making sure all the gaskets are good. You just tell I rip this gasket off and replace it. Just gasket maker crap like that. The rings and everything were in good shape. Still need to clean off the piston before I put the head on. Where the head went. Where the hell am I? Oh, there it is. Right in my face, like usual. So I'm going to loosen up these bolts. You gotta loosen every single one of them so I can lift it up a little. I'm not going to take this thing back off because it's a pain in the butt to get on. Because the way the rings are set up on these pistons. Alright. I guess we're going to have to loosen these two up over here. And I can't get that pulley off, and it's another freaker. It's all bit up and crap like that. Yeah, I actually did have this cylinder block off once. And, of course, the gasket looked good. I don't know if I wasn't, like, paying attention to it or something. Alright, take you guys down. Not quite sure how well you can see. But I'm going to attempt to put some of this crap in there. Should have the tip. Use a flathead screwdriver. Make sure it's clean-ish. I'm going to dab some on there. Just dab a little at a time, lift it up. You don't have to make it purty. I mean, it can be hanging out because you can go back and kind of clean it up a little bit after it dries. Alright. Get a little around the... There we go. Squeeze it. Put the cap back on it so you can still have lots of good uses out of it. At the moment it doesn't look real pretty. It's kind of oozing out of there. This ain't the professional way to fix an engine, an AC engine, just to tell you. The right way to do it would be buying a gasket for it, which, sad thing is, I don't know anything about this AC motor, so I'm not even going to attempt to look at parts because I don't have any money, and I just want to get a decent air compressor. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I am planning to repaint it. Alright, I think we got her done. I don't want to spin the motor too much. Gotta get some of this excess off. Alright. Towel right there. Alright, stuff is really fumey. Alright, I'm gonna assemble the head. First I'm gonna clean the piston, the top of the piston, and the top of the head real good. Piston's in pretty good shape. It does have a little bit of scoring. Crap, I don't have any power out here. Crap. Use light maker. I'm just sanding kind of the seat. Because as you can tell, there's nothing left of that head gasket. So I've got to use this handy dandy silicone stuff. What I'm gonna do first, remove this air filter. Oh my god, it's like rusted in there. Alright, there it is. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to stitch it down again. Alright, I'm going to try to remove this. It's like rough to the bottom. There we go. Yeah, look at all that funky crap. Just gonna lightly clean some of that lint crap off of it. My handy dandy sandpaper. Alrighty. I think we got her. That looks a little better. I'm not even going to attempt to air that out or nothing because it's too clunked up. Now for this step, we have to picture. Alright. Alrighty. YouTubers, I'm ready to install. I'm going to get the rest of this gasket up. I'm going to clean this a little bit. Just real lightly. Can I remove that? I'm going to try. Alright, time for the good old gasket. Redneck gasket, you could say. The easy way to do this is by putting on rubber gloves. But I'm just going to use my fingers for this one. And what you want to do, usually you get a little nozzle with these, but I just found out that it actually seems to work better without the nozzle. I'll show you guys in a minute. Alright. I'm not quite sure with my phone you're gonna pick this up the straightest. There's just a real thin layer. So you can kind of see over there. And put it all the way around, all around the bolt holes. That's why I just did a quick little run. Because I already got the head set up pretty good. I'm gonna assemble it. It smells like pickles or vinegar or something like that. Because you want to get it on as straight as possible, like lined up. Because if you wiggle it too much, it smears it, and it's thinner, and it gets into your cylinder. That's why it's kind of redneck. And for now, I'm going to put this back on without the air cleaner or air filter. Just for now, until I can figure out something I can use for an air filter. Alright. If I had to guess, this has got to be at least mid-70s. Like the newest, late 70s maybe. I think the AC motor is actually older than the air compressor itself. But I could be wrong. But I'm going to have an AC motor, air compressor motor, junkie. Where did I put my small crescent wrench? Right here, right on the sandpaper. Come on. Oh, that's not bad. Crap, I don't want to rotate it too much. that wet sealant right there. Alright, so I think she's good as new. I'm going to wipe away the excess with my finger. There's too much excess for the head. Alright, now the time for cleaning. Take, oh heck, I got some lighter things here. Take some light sandpaper. And this thick stuff, I'm going to use a screwdriver to get off. And I'm going to put new oil in it. It's got two-stroke oil in it right now, so that's probably not the greatest for it. Alright, that's all I'm going to do for this video. Still running a little long. Yeah, 12 minutes. I gotta tear that motor back apart to put the lifters in it. I gotta put a new crankshaft in that motor. It's warped really badly. So, yeah, there's a lot more to come. So just stick around. Here's my beautiful crammed up shop. Here's all my parts, my engine, and stuff like that. So, I like to get all these. I've got 3 blocks in here. I'd really like to get them all going, but I think maybe I can make one more motor out of all these 3. They're just so wrecked. They were pretty bad. So, see you guys later.